Today I want to explain a few advantages to hiring a professional cleaning service. Everyone knows it looks good and it feels good to get your house clean, but I want to go into a little more detail today. Number one, physical. I have a couple facts that I think will help you get perspective of this whole picture. One germ, here I'm going to draw a little germ here. If anyone bullies me about my drawing abilities, I'm going to report you, okay? That's a germ. Now, one of these germs in just 24 hours can turn into 8 million germs. 80% of sicknesses are caused by germs that are passed from surfaces to hands and from hands to surfaces. There's only a couple ways to prevent sickness and germs, and that's washing hands on a daily basis and cleaning what we call high-touch surfaces on a daily basis. That would be things like desks, doorknobs, telephones, like a cell phone. So, if you never wash this, by the way, never clean it, just think about doing that, okay? Number two, I don't want to write the whole word. It's psychological. Not only does it literally make it healthier, it makes it better for mental health. If you've ever gone to a therapist, things they'll ask you is, how are you eating? Like, what's your lifestyle like? And one part of lifestyle is your environment. Like, if you have a home and you're living in there and it's really dirty, there's a large correlation between cleanliness of a house and mental health. Actually, the Anxiety and Depression Association of America indicates that having a cleaner home helps reduce anxiety and depressive episodes. So this is serious stuff. It also applies to places of work. If you have an office that's not being cleaned, your productivity is going to be less. It's the same thing in your home. You need to be productive at home. If you're not keeping up with cleaning tasks, you're not keeping up with other things. That's most likely. The last hidden advantage is financial. Who this really impacts is people who have high demand careers. These are people who are working anywhere from 60 to 80 hours a week. You work all these hours during the week and you come to the weekend, and what do you have to do? You have to keep up with all the things that you missed during the week. So if you also have kids, you're probably thinking, man, I want to be spending time with my kids, but you also have to do all these other things. So maybe you spend hours and hours on Saturday, Sunday cleaning. Now, our average deep clean at Neat, we take about 8 to 10 hours to fully deep clean a house, an average size house. Let's say you just do 4 to 5 hours once a week, and you really should be cleaning every day based on what I was saying about germs. But let's say you're just cleaning once a week, cleaning all the surfaces. That means, 5 hours a week that you could be spending, if you want to, advancing your career. If you have a family, you could be spending that with them. So really start to put into perspective how much of our time is really spent maintaining our houses, making it clean, and think about the impact that it would have to have a professional cleaner come in, create a clean, healthy environment, and then save you 5 hours a week that you could be putting somewhere else that would be better off in the long run. If you do need anything cleaning related, if you even just have a question, feel free to reach out to me. Phone number and email will be on the screen.